so hot out here. That boy went to sleep. Out of there. Get that man some water. YouTube, we back again with another one, SS Family. Man, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you break even. Seem like today I'm gonna break even. If y'all been keeping up with me, rocking out with me, watching the last couple videos, y'all see I've been putting work in on this truck. Had to change the thermostat, had to change the cooling temperature switch, had to change this. As you can see, she's pissing out now. So we're about halfway there. I'm gonna slide it up to my man. So I gotta see. End up being the radiator. Then I changed the oil and charged the AC. So after all that was done, my boy Vic, that's the guy that worked on it, he gave me a call. He said he wants the truck. We went back and forth for a few days. Threw a number out there today. He said, all right. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take it up to him, let him get it. Now, usually I don't do it. I stick to my guns, get the money that I want out of these cars, because after you invest so much time and money, you gotta get a potential profit. But I'm gonna go ahead and break even today, because this is my guy. He always look out for me. Anytime I bring cars up there, he keep me straight. I send my family up there, friends, everybody. So I'm gonna go ahead and look out for my man's Vic. Let him get the truck. I've been enjoying the truck. Went to a car show Saturday, Playboy Jeezy car show. Shout out to Playboy. And just been enjoying the truck. I hate to see it go. It's a good family truck, but I got too many cars at the crib. So she got to ride out. We're gonna go up here. I'm gonna give him the title, get the bread, and just go from there. And at the end of the video, I'll break down the profit that I was supposed to get versus the profit that I actually got. So I'll catch y'all in a few. Just pulled up to my man's shop. He got a Maybach for you. We made it ourselves. It's a Mercedes Maybach we had made. My man up here got his tow truck out. The big Chevy. Got the green flames on it for you. That stands for get money. It's a big boy right here. Big Chevy, ready to work. Yeah, I'm gonna miss this boy, but we're gonna get up in there, talk some business, and hit y'all back in a few. Y'all ain't going in with me. Gotta count this money. Catch y'all in a few. Profit, and off top, just doing a little estimate in my head. I already know it want that much profit, so we can start off with the calculator. Keep this real simple. I paid $6,700 for the truck, so we're gonna put that in there first. Then I had to get a few things fixed, as y'all all know. If y'all seen the previous videos, y'all know I fixed a few things. Starting off with this thermostat, which ended up coming out to $56.75. I'm just gonna throw that in there without the tax. It was a little bit tax, you know. Amazon, they ship it free, but it is some tax, so let's throw that in there. All right, since this part was $56.75, I didn't have to pay anything on the label because I did the work myself. So that was a good thing. So I saved on the label with that. The next thing was this AC Delco Gold engine coolant temperature sensor that came out to $13.01. While I was back there, I just went ahead and changed that too. I don't know which one was causing the problem. It could have been either or, but I went ahead and fixed it because the truck was overheating. So that was $13.01. I changed that myself, so no label on that. The last thing I changed, and this came out the blue, I'm guessing the radiator probably had cracked during the course of it overheating. So I had to put this in there. This was $164.95. Plus, I gave my boy $200 to go ahead and throw it in for me. Could have did it myself. Been kind of hot out here. I had to move some cars around, and you know, I just went in the mood. So I went ahead and paid him. He only charged me $200 to put it in. So we're gonna add that in there for the label. So all together, it came out to $71.34 and 71 cents. So now what I sold the car for, $7,500. So we can do the math with that. It's negative, but what it is a positive. It's $365.29. So that was the profit I made on the truck. Barely nothing for all the time that I spent with it. But like I said, man, my boy, he wanted the truck. I just wanted to look out for him. He always look out for me. He look out for my family with cars, and all the time it's not always about the money. I respect, honor, and respect over the money. So on this one, I didn't take a loss. I didn't win. It ain't really go as planned, but I got what I could get out of the deal, and I'm happy with that. So it is what it is. Like I said, some you gonna win, some you gonna lose. My projected profit was somewhere around maybe like, I would say at least $1,500. So let me see, if I had 67 in it and $1,500 profit at least, because I really would like $2,000, but I'll say at least 15. Then we're looking at 8,200. Would have been a magic number for me. So even $8,000 would have been cool, but it's all good because like I said, I know my man's, he gonna look out for me, and I'm gonna look out for him anytime I need a favor or something fixed. He can come through for me, and it is what it is. So make it up on the next one, man. I appreciate y'all watching. I surely do, man. And y'all check out these other videos if y'all haven't. I got a few more coming. Some I got brewing. And I'm going to show y'all the next video. Probably mess with this Escalade that I just got. I ain't going to tell y'all too much, but y'all just keep on checking for your boy. I appreciate y'all. Y'all take care. I'm going to holler at y'all. Peace.